This is OnePlus Pad, and today I will show how you can share the Wi-Fi network on this device. So first step is to launch settings. Onwards, you gotta go for the Wi-Fi category, then connect your tablet to whatever Wi-Fi network you wanted to share, open its network details page. Onwards, go for the share option, and the system asks that I confirm the Face ID. So let me just perhaps enter the password instead. And as you can see, the following pop-up window reveals the Wi-Fi network password and also provides us with the convenient QR code that you can further scan and, well, get whatever device you scanned it with automatically connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.